We've all been there, struggling to identify the causes of our machines that won't start, won't idle, or run rough. And then after we think we have identified the problem, comes the frustrating part, a search for the right parts at the right time for the right price. At Hipa, we strive to deliver the best parts at the right price and in a timely manner so you can get your machines up and running as fast as possible. These kits contain our industry-leading plug-and-play carburetors. Just install and start. No other adjustments are necessary. Other parts include an air filter, fuel filter and line, spark plug, fuel primers, and any necessary gaskets for your make and model. Our unique website, hipastore.com, provides a central resource to quickly find products by machine type, model number, and brand, so our customers know exactly what they are getting, as well as quick and free shipping. But in addition to that, Hipa's website and social media also provide a handy resource for advice, instructions, how-tos, and feedback. With millions of parts sold, 12 years in the business, Hipa and their all-in-one kits are the choice of home and garden enthusiasts.